Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Hope you all are doing good. Well, in today's video, we're going to see yet another interesting chicken starter recipe, which is mango chicken, a combination of sweet, spicy and mild tangy flavor, making it a perfect, quick and easy chicken bites recipe. So friends, let's get started with the recipe. And here I have taken one large chicken breast cut into small cubes like this. And now I'm going to season them with some salt as per taste, around half teaspoon of white pepper. Next goes half teaspoon of garlic powder. This is sweet paprika, adding around 1/4 teaspoon of it for some spiciness, and around 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Now mix all the ingredients well over the chicken cubes. And we will let this rest for about 10 minutes. Next, heat some oil in a pan, say around 1 tablespoon. And when the oil is hot, we will add the marinated chicken cubes into the pan. And on medium flame, we will fry them until they turn golden brown from both the sides. After about 2 minutes, we'll flip the chicken cubes. And by now our chicken cubes are fried golden brown from both the sides. So I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. Now before making mango chicken, I will take off some of the excess oil from the pan. Alright. And now into the pan goes 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. I have used here 3 large garlic pods. Next goes 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. And on medium flame, we will saute the garlic and chili flakes until they turn golden brown and aromatic. And now goes the star ingredient, which is mango puree. I have used here half cup of mango puree. And on medium flame, we will saute the mango puree until they are well combined with the chili flakes and garlic. I'll add now a splash of water to rinse off the measuring cup. Give this a mix. And we'll let the mango puree simmer for a few seconds until they thicken slightly. And our mango puree looks good, infused with the flavor of garlic and chili flakes. And now into this goes 1/4 cup of honey, which will add some sweetness to the dish. We'll give this a good mix. And now we'll quickly season this with some salt as per taste and a pinch of white pepper. We'll give this a mix. And now goes into the pan around 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, which will give our mango chicken a well-balanced flavor of sweet, spicy and tangy. I will check once for the flavors and it's just perfect. So time now to add our fried chicken cubes into our sweet, spicy and tangy mango sauce. And now we need to coat the chicken cubes well with the mango sauce so that they can absorb all its flavors. Keep the flame on medium. And we will let the chicken cubes simmer in the sauce for just few seconds. And by now our mango chicken is ready. But before serving, I will sprinkle some white sesame seeds on top. That's it. So friends, I hope you will try this interesting mango chicken recipe. Also share your feedbacks and do subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.